Hi, you guys. I'm Octavia Johnson, and today's topic will be about cancer and what I feel will be the best solution for each and every one of us individually. Keyword individually. There are no two people who are truly identical. Even identical twins are different in many ways. Everyone kind of sort of has their own special gene, special way about them. No two people are the same. You have a better chance with emotions being more compatible than identical twins. Say, for instance, if you love someone, you and that person you love share the same emotions compared to two identical twins who are not exactly the same. I use twins as an example so you guys fully understand how there's truly no two people who are truly identically alike or the same. Everyone, I repeat, everyone is different. Professionals and doctors have both proven that cancer began inside of the body's misunderstood hormones. So what you guys should think about doing more is eating healthy, living healthy, and having a healthy routine for an everyday basis. You have to make sure you're drinking plenty of water. You want to keep your body hydrated. Dehydration is the beginning and the start to many people's problems, and it goes unnoticed. But if you start drinking plenty of water on an everyday basis, that could eliminate a lot of your illnesses. I've been doing a lot of talking, so let me get to why I'm really here. When a person is in a hospital and receives the news that they have cancer, they are given a few options by the hospital and by the doctor. One of those options are radiation treatment. It is solely okay to refuse radiation or hospital treatment at all. If there are some home remedies that you are used to or you know of that usually help people with cancer, I advise you to, look more into that. Everybody's bodily hormones, emotions, and reactions are different depending on the intake of the substance. You even have some cases where people are reacting differently to radiation treatments. Again, radiation treatment is an option. I truly feel that if the doctors were to take their time and truly work with each patient individually, one by one, then we can finally find cure to what everybody calls cancer. Remember, everybody's body is different. Not everybody's body reacts the same, and especially to radiation. In order for us to get answers to a lot of our family members' questions, dire question at that, cancer kills a lot of people, and it hasn't given a lot of people a chance to enjoy the chance to actually live out their lives. You have some people who have grandchildren who've made it off to college and they wasn't able to be there due to cancer, and if we can get around to a cure, then maybe we can live a little bit longer and enjoy our loved ones. So I guess the question now is, what do we do to find a cure? And you guys, I'm nobody important. I'm just the regular girl trying to figure out exactly what's the best option for us all as a universe to get answers, real answers, before more of our family members die off. Let's start with the doctors. Doctors, I'm speaking solely to you. When finding out that a patient has cancer, I do know an option that you give to them are radiation treatments and different medications. But have you ever considered home remedies? Really? Home remedies have been working since before the time we were all born. Home remedies saved a lot of our ancestors' lives. Some of those same remedies work very well to this day. When speaking with a patient who's been diagnosed with cancer, it's best to ask them what do they consider as the best option to help cure their cancer or help them with their days throughout. Be very open and honest. When dealing with a patient, it is best to ask them what may be the best option to help them along with their condition. Keep in mind that they are the ones with the condition. Be very mindful and very honest. After speaking with your patient and giving them the option of radiation treatment, also be mindful and give them the option of home remedies. Now, everybody's body is completely different, so this is where the word individually kicks in. When dealing with patients individually, considering their ins and outs, do's and don'ts, their own home remedies that they've suggested themselves, also giving them the option for treatment and follow-up, keeping up with that study could lead to a cure for cancer. By giving the patient the option to choose their own suggested home remedy doesn't go unnoticed. Along with that may come treatment, therapy, mental care. By keeping a steady profile of each patient, we could possibly find a cure to cancer. Remember, no two people's bodies are genetically the same. Any patients who agree with home remedy studies should be profiled and studied. This should also bring them a peace of mind to know that someone is working on them in their situation on an everyday basis. Be mindful. Not everyone can deal with the radiation chemo treatment. A lot of the times, those treatments damage tissues and bodily organs. If you are a cancer patient, never be afraid to suggest what may be a better solution for your condition. Keep in mind, the only way is your way. Everybody's body is completely different. Never ever be afraid.